cycling to work or school can be a healthy and budget-friendly daily habit. As a new cyclist, you need to be aware of your skills and the existing infrastructure before engaging in traffic. If you feel insecure or do not know the city well, these tips can help you overcome the obstacles for commuting by bike daily.
It's best to start on less busy roads with lower speed limits, like residential areas, bike trails, or dedicated bike lanes, where you can practice and gain confidence away from heavy traffic. First, familiarize yourself with your city's cycling infrastructure and traffic rules.
Your route might change a lot once you switch from a car or public transport to a bike. Main roads, suitable for cars, are not the best option for cyclists.
Digital technology, such as free navigation apps, can greatly assist in planning your bike trips. A commonly used option is Google Maps, available on every Android phone. This app often includes a bike navigation feature, suggesting optimal or alternative cycling routes. Additionally, you can use Google Maps on a computer to get a comprehensive view of your city's cycling infrastructure. By selecting the biking layer, you can see bike trails, dedicated lanes, bike-friendly roads, and even unpaved trails. With other applications, you can choose the type of ride you want to have according to your skills and experience to optimize your commute, while others can give you better routes for trekking or mountain biking. Once you have selected your route, mount your phone on the bike, and try it out. Holding your phone in your hand is not allowed and is dangerous for you while cycling in traffic.
Often there will be a faster route than the one going through a residential area or on a dedicated lane, but 500 meters more on a bike means only 1 minute or 2 difference. Cycling on an empty road is much safer and often faster than being stuck in traffic, having to stand next to exhaust pipes, or being intimidated by the large faster vehicles next to you. You will be quicker and safer on slow, empty roads than on busy main roads, where cycling might even not be allowed. If you are feeling insecure, ask an experienced friend to cycle the first time in front of you, so you follow them and observe their behavior on the road. You can learn a lot from other cyclists. Enjoy the ride and take care of yourself and the others in traffic.